Thank you for stopping by the Marketing Impact booth at Grocery Innovations Live. We're a local Canadian manufacturer of custom point-of-purchase displays and merchandising equipment. We carry over 1,500 items for merchandising meat, dairy, dry goods, and produce. Our quick load pusher system keeps inventory front-faced and looking fresh. Our loss prevention category includes lockboxes, audio alarms, and Take-One security devices. We are the Canadian distributor for desk window and floor window display products. These are clear sachets with non-slip backings that can be used for countertops, cashiers, and wayfinding in stores. We consult, design, fabricate, and manufacture custom point-of-purchase displays. Our displays are built to promote your brand and product in aisle and on shelves. View our full catalog at displaypeople.com or call us at 905-738-0888.